Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contra Podcast. You are listening to Consan Show, episode number 161. And in this episode, we are going to discuss about how do you really get a perfect mindset to work on your dreams. And let's get started. Never listen to any advices. That's the advice that I want to give. These are nothing but you practice, you'll become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. Let me tell you guys the truth. You will never ever in your life will feel so right to do one particular thing that would make you alive. What does that mean? You will never feel right to work on your dreams. You will never feel right to work on your particular dreams each and every day. You might feel bored, you might feel so horrible, but remember that you need to push your limits. You need to push your own limits and say that you can do that and you will do that day after day, no matter how rigorous the process is, no matter how horrible the process is, no matter how horrible the journey is. You need to keep on pushing yourself every day, day in day out. You just have to push yourself. And there are plenty of people who tell you that if you just work on your dreams every day, you feel so energetic. I might have told you that, but to be true, I tell you that at the same time, 365 days you won't be having the same mood to get out at 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock and work on the dreams that you really have. You might feel bored. At the same time, you might feel like, man, I'll take this one day rest. Why don't I take rest and why don't I feel working today? Maybe I have worked a lot. Maybe I have hit a rock bottom. Maybe I have failed in this particular thing. Maybe I need a break. But trust me, at that particular time, at that particular thing, if you don't work, you would weaken yourself saying that you get an excuse one day and you would continue that thing every day. Probably you would get an excuse one day, probably next day or tomorrow I'll do it for sure. Tomorrow you will do it. After 1 week, if you feel the same thing, no, 1 week back I just got an excuse for one day, why don't I take this excuse again? So you'll feel that after 1 week, you'll feel that again, or not even after 1 week, you'll feel that after 1 month. But there is someone out there who is doing 100% awesome work. How are they really doing? They feel the truth, they realize the truth. It is not that someone has to wake up you every day and say that go, you can do this. No, there is no one will do that when you are an entrepreneur or when you want to live your own life. You might be an employee, but you cannot do that. Why? Is because no one will do that for you. If you just go out there and work, you might have a great job in your office and you might earn a lot, but if you don't do that, that really means you'll get fired. That is how simple life is. And you need to understand that there is no one would be there to motivate you each and every day. It is you who have to motivate yourself and say that push your limits, you can do this each and every day. That is how entrepreneurship is, and that is how things are. I mean, it's not that really hard. I have a triple effect. I call it as a triple effect. What does that really mean? In the sense, triple it down. So everything that you have, if you just have to manufacture one pen at a day, make sure you just make it 3. And what do you really feel like? This is the day I feel like I don't want to work. This day I want to take a break. At that particular day, try doing it thrice as large as you can. If you just manufacture one pen per day, try doing it 3 times better. Try doing it 3 times. Try to manufacture 3 pens at a day. And why am I telling you that? In the sense, that day you'll feel like I felt so bored today, but I did thrice as better than I did in the normal day. And that would be your new benchmark, and that would be your new, just like an high score in your games. And next day when you feel so stressed out, you'll feel like that is your benchmark, that is your high score, you can beat that today. And that is how I cheat myself and work a lot on my particular videos. And some days you might really observe this, probably I'll just work on my videos and I'll just record 2 or 3 videos per day. But some days I might really push so hard, and you might observe this, I might be wearing the same t-shirt. What does that really mean? In the sense, I have recorded the videos in the same days, in the same consecutive episodes, let's say episode number 160, 161, 162, I am wearing the same t-shirt. In the sense, I have done that, I have recorded that in the same days. At the same time, you might observe that I might have recorded 4 videos, 5 videos at the same day. How is that really possible? Am I really mad? In the sense, no, I'm not really mad. I felt like in this, I'm in quarantine period as of now. So in this period, I feel so bored. So I can't record enough videos. That is the reason I just record somewhere around 3 videos, 4 videos. Some days I record 5 videos too. So that is how I push my boundaries and feel like that is my benchmark. If I just miss one day, I feel so horrible saying that I did a huge mistake in my entire life. That is how you have to set your own benchmark. You record 3 today, and when you feel bored, try doing it 5. So that I know for many people this doesn't really make sense, but that is how entrepreneurs are, that is how crazy entrepreneurs are. For everyone it doesn't have to make sense, but if you just try that once, you'll just completely understand that, guys. Yeah, I'm giving shout out to everyone who just comment on my particular episode, guys. If you just drop me a comment, I'll give you a shout out. Probably you could be the next person who's just watching this. If you just comment, I'll give you a shout out. I'll give you a huge shout out, guys. Until then, it's me, Zan, signing off. Meet you guys at the top. Bye bye.